Ready to turn plain text into eye-catching, chat-style animations? In this Canva tutorial, I'll walk you through creating dynamic, conversation-style videos that pop. Perfect for social media posts, business promotions, advertising, personal branding, and so much more. Let's get started. Texting and chatting is just one thing people do all the time, all day long. But why would you want to make a video using this kind of chat-looking animation? Let me share a few ideas about why you might want to make a video in this style. Chat videos feel informal and personal. They're great for explaining complex topics simply. They break up traditional formats in a fresh and dynamic way. Mimicking texting makes the content feel natural and relatable, perfect for social media, tutorials, and product reveals. So before I go any further, I'm going to ChatGPT and I'll create a little conversation that I want to appear in the body of my animated video. First, I'll ask it to give me a few ideas for a short chat conversation that I'll use in a video. So it'll be between two people. Can you give me some ideas? And here's what it gave me. So like planning a trip, movie night, hiking, surprise gift, and spontaneous hangout. I think I'm going to choose the weekend trip idea. So I'll use this text in the body of my chat messaging video. Now let's go back to Canva and get started. For today's video, I'm going to show you one way to create a text or chat animation for your audience. Let's go to mobile video. The easiest way to do it is to look over here at templates and use one of these. So you'll have all of these different templates. Some are paid and some are free. Let's try texting conversation and see what is in here. This is more in the style that I'm interested in. So let's look through these and pick one to use. I think I'm going to choose this one. So I'll click there and apply all 5 pages. There we go. So now you see all the pages down here. So first things first, I'll add something else to the background. Let's go to videos and search for beach and set it as the background. Next, I'll add it to each page, remembering the original page length since I might have to change it once I add the video background. So now you can see there's something happening behind the chat, so it's a little more interesting. Based on the chat story, I've got 2 characters, a man and a woman. Let's start with the guy. So go to photos and choose a man's image. You could put a cartoon or whatever, depending on what you're making. I'll choose this guy and I'll add him to each page as needed. Next, I'll do the same thing but with a woman. I'll choose this girl and I'll add her to each page also. Now we need to add the story text in here. I'll go back to my story, get that, and add it in here. Plus make it a little bit bigger. Then I'll repeat the process for each page and character until I am done. Here at the end, if you were making some kind of marketing video, you could put your branding information here about your website and product. For now, I'll just get rid of that and put a big thumbs up there. Okay, so let's watch what we have so far. Overall, not bad, but it still needs some tweaking. First, I'll change the texting animation to typewriter. Click on animation and choose it right here. You can choose character or by word and start on enter. That way it looks like someone is actually typing in the conversation. I'll get rid of that rise animation and choose typewriter to be consistent and then make a few more changes. Next, I'll make it all shorter. Then at the end, I'll add a pop-up effect. Okay, now let's see what it looks like. Explaining lessons in a relatable and conversational way, adding a fresh format for Q&As or FAQs, simulating quick answers to common questions, showcasing products through conversational demos, creating engaging storytelling or tips sessions, enhancing storytelling with character dialogue, building brand information in an informal and accessible way. Here's one more fun chat-style animation example that could be great for kids. So, what do you think? Got any ideas to make one of these yourself?
If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and keep making it with AI. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.